Hello, my friends. I'm going to start my total basics from the scratch. So let's build our first basics. So we are going to start with the HTML. After that HTML, we are going to move into CSS, JavaScript, React, Next.js, and so on till we complete the front end full stack web development part. So let's start with our HTML first task, which was to create my personal biometric page. Let me give an extremely detailed introduction to what we how to do. Here, the HTML tags are used to open and close, and then the head tag, which is used to include the details, title, and then we are going to create a body tag. In the body, we are going to include our name, background, and we are going to add a main heading with your name. Main heading Jesus Kumar, and then H3 maybe some H3 we take final year student, final year student, and then web developer, and on this guy, web development, then Jobs API. I think that's it. Open source contributor. I love open source. Actually, I contributed something, just like an making changes in an README file of an open source project. Uh, I changed that readme.md doc into an extremely beautiful way of looking so that the final user can able to understand how can a person able to truly clone that website and move into that directory and then going to start on preview. That this is spelling on preview. That's oh, then, after that, we are going to include a paragraph about yourself. We are going to break that line. We are let me give you an detailed outline how the project was looking. We are using that live server so that we can able to see the details. The live server is an extension uh, which is used to see our code, not which is used to see the preview of our code from locally. We don't want to go to that and again trying like this open with, and then we are going to take that Microsoft something like that, or we are going to just like we are going to this file survey, and then we are going to this PC, and then we are going to Windows, and then we are going to something like that, a Word, Imperium Final project, and then my folder, and then we are going to see that here. bio.html when we are going to open that in the file explorer. It takes too much of time for a developer to do such thing. So we are going to simply the, install that live server and we are going to just add our to open our project with the live server to this page. That's it. Okay, let's start break and then we are going to include a paragraph about yourself. Paragraph. Okay. Please tag was used for a paragraph and then we are going to uh, what about something? What should I need to write about myself? Hobbies and love. I learn uh, what is love? Uh, Development. Um, uh, Python Python like uh, actually I'm an Telugu speaking person, so uh, don't try to don't try to know. Don't misunderstand. I totally learned the HTML and CSS from a local language YouTube channel, and I actually learned just the basics, I think so. Don't know that much about uh, that full stack web development. So I was before that I was trying to start with the React.js, but suddenly I changed my mind because I need to start from the basics. So before understanding, before making you to understand what is HTML and CSS, you just need to build the product and then you know what is right and what is wrong. That's it. Learn web development in Python like channel and I know C, Python, Java basic, we need to add a comma, otherwise it would be very ugly. Python, Java and ADSA, Advanced Data Structures Algorithm. Yes, data structure algorithm, SQL, MySQL it was, MySQL. And then from my college, uh, I learned React basics, basics, more fast API basics. It's from my project. And I can take this thing. Uh, Let me look how it was looking for it. I need just I need to add the break text so that the lines would be not messy. PR stands for break text. So we are generally breaking up the project into different types so that the user can able to understand easily. If I just didn't use that break text, then the front end just look like a messy. So that I don't want to do that. I think doing it it's fine. Now we are going to start. So H3, H4 mainframe, HOBB, I guess, office, base, and What are my hobbies? My hobbies are reading novels, novels like motivation related, motivation related. And I sometimes sometimes I used to I contribute to open source. Actually, don't think that I am actually pro in open source. I do contribution in very complex projects. I was just a knob. I didn't even know contribute spelling till my BTech. After joining the BTech, after searching a lot, I came to know that contribution is a kind of thing which makes developers use open source, make it freely available to developers or the students, maybe fine. That means I used to contribute open source. I build uh, with uh, AI like Lovable, and Firebase. Firebase was extremely good. Fire, Firebase. And then I actually used that Bolt also. But these things didn't give me that much results while compared to that Firebase and Lovable. And create an another list of 3 to 5 favorite books or movies or games. I actually love movies. Let me give so can hit 3, H4, H4M movies. There we go. We are going to use some list, well, a list, and then you are going to another list. Maybe you will, anything you will. Movies, the first thing I give much importance was theory of everything. Theory of everything, and then what? No, no. Okay, we are using this structure was extremely long. Let me remove this thing. Components. Was for list we use li an order list, OLUL, and then li actually, uh, something like that. But it was good. We are using in the paragraph and then movies and then okay, let me give theory of everything. Then ah then actually another movie that I Fight Club. I love Fight Club. I love and another well, actually different kinds of movie. Actually, I love to see watch movies. I don't remember much right now. Memories of Murder, Old Boy, okay, Old Boy, and something like that. Actually, which gives me a trauma for me. Memories of Murder. Uh, that's it. I think so. Movies, just 3 movies would be fine. And books or games. Actually, I don't have that much interest in games. Um, so as for the books, novels. Novels. another list UL, and then a light list. Actually, my favorite novel was Emperor Domination. It was an Chinese wuxia novel, which is translated into English. Domination, domination, and then Marshall got Asra, even Marshall got Asra, and then actually I love to read that Soul Line, Dolo Dolo. I uh, Soul Line, you, you, um, actually, it was consisting of about five parts. Tang family plundering the continents. Actually, if there are any fans of Tangs, and I actually say sorry for you because I'm an extremely hardcore fan of that Tang Xiaoso, who was actually an amazing novel writer of this Dolo Dolo, and I love to read his novels. But after reading that fan fiction, my brain was actually collapsed. And adds links like website, blog, or social media. Link, we are going to use that link tag. Let me out of this paragraph actually. One second. After going out of the paragraph, we are going to make a link. Link reference. In is I think the link. Is not this. Check. HTTPS slash slash www.github.com. Sujit 52 dot github.io. Uh, dot io maybe. Is it github.io or github.com? Let me control click. Is this thing? No, this thing. Github.com or like this. Dot com. Control click. Not this thing much. At this shape. Actually, sorry. Uh, okay, don't care about this. It was linked, that's it. Fine. GitHub, GitHub, so will be fine, and then we are going to add that LinkedIn. Link www.linkedin.com instead linkedin.com linkedin.com/Sujit Kumar Sujit Kumar dash P. That will be fine. Actually, the LinkedIn profile was in my Honest by if you want to check out for it, then you go and check out for it. Okay? LinkedIn and then another thing, YouTube channel. Okay, I forgot that YouTube. Link www.youtube.com youtube.com/. What was my channel name? Sujit Laptop. Sujit, okay, and then we are going to YouTube. And we are going to add gmail.com. Here is actually mail to uh what is my mail? Um let's say just Sujit dot Sujit dot gmail.com. Actually I don't want to disclose my email. Do I need to just break down or it is fine? Break down. Let's break. This thing will automatically give us some Gmail will be fine. And here was the thing. Oh, let me give us a place. H4 will be fine. Oh, H4, my socials, socials, and then one slash will be fine. This was the HTML structure. Do I just need to break this thing? Will it be fine? Break that. Yeah. Like the student, let me give this also break. Yeah. Web development, this thing, I need to break. Yeah. Break. Fast API, web development. Open source content. Yeah. Break. And open document also break. Actually, I love this break that because it is easy to break all the things. And do we need to add something? Let me add a four again. My my details on paragraph. Details on paragraph. Without using an AI, we are going to just create these things. It will be fine, cool, and it was very good. By using too much of AI, we are going to make ourselves looks like a clone. So I suggest you need to try to build the things with your hand so that only you can able to understand what is right and what is wrong. And the link and time estimate 20, 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, I think I have, let me check, 22 minutes. Oh my God. Okay, see you in next again session. I'll stop this recording and we are going to in next recording. Bye bye. See you.